Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwoven's Nest. Today I am participating in a challenge that is hosted by two YouTube ladies that do a ton of great things, Heidi Sonboul DIY and Corey from Desert DIY. Please go check out their channels along with the playlist link. I'll have everything in my description box below. For this challenge, the ladies asked us to take something ugly that we either had at home or found at a thrift store and recreate it into something beautiful. I have had this lamp for the last 29 years. It was a bridal shower gift. It has gone through multiple transformations. I've not wanted to give it away due to the sentimental value of it, but it really wasn't pretty to begin with. I've painted it a multitude of different colors, but I decided now to do something with it to create more of a nautical look for my family room that I'm making over. The last thing I did to it was paint it with this faux granite look paint, and it has some texture. So now I'm using aged gray Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint pretty much the top half of it or top 2/3 of it in this gray color. One coat is going to do it for this project, but you can already see the texture coming through, and I think it's going to look so cool when it's finished. The original shade for this, you can see it in the corner there, was cloth. It was a nice fabric shade and it was an okay color. So I decided to grab these other ones that I have, and this one is sort of a vinyl. It had a bit of a marble tan look to it, and I'm using my go-to white paint, which is the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white, and I'm going to give this 2 coats. To cover the bottom part, I picked up this nautical rope from Dollarama. It's $1.50 for 8 feet. I'm using hot glue to start at the back to glue the rope in rows all the way around. So I'm going to glue probably every 2 to 3 inches just to make sure it's secure. When I got to the back where the cord was, because this is a really soft cord, I was able to just glue it right over the cord. The cord is a really nice flat one, so it just stuck out in between the 2 pieces of rope. For the last part, I'm taking some of this cotton string and a section of nautical rope that I had left over. I think it was about 18 inches. And I'm going to take the string and just tie it off about 2 inches from the end on each side. Now I'm going to unravel the pieces of rope and pull them apart, essentially making a tassel, and I'll do this on each end. I'm going to wrap this piece of rope around the bottom portion of the crown of the lamp, and then I'm just going to glue it in place and cross them over a little bit so it just gives them a little bit more character. I love how this lamp turned out, and I think this is going to be its forever look. I'd like to thank Heidi and Corey for hosting this challenge. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching.